Hi, in the previous part we learned about noun and their types. In this part we will learn different ways to make nouns, and in the next part we will learn where these nouns are placed in sentence. I will try to teach the topics as complete and accurately as possible, but in a concise manner so that you do not take up your time and to make sure that you learn everything well. Hello there, dear precious souls, lover of language learning. I'm Puya Feyzaghi, and this is englisitoosehsoot YouTube channel. And I must say that life is not a scary place nor a nightmare, and it is not just the past. Try to imagine your beautiful dreams because your future will be what you imagine now. Well, friends, nouns themselves can be nouns, and you learned this and also their types in the previous sessions. But in this session, we want to learn whether we can make nouns for verbs, adjectives, or anything else or not. Well, the answer is yes, it is possible, and in English, this is called nominalization. Okay, so let's get right to it. Category 1. Make nouns form verbs. Number 1. First we have tion or tion, which pronounced as a shen. This is very common. Usually we use it with verbs that end in e or the. And remember, shen is often used in formal or book English. For example, act become action. Her actions surprise everyone. Decide become decisions. His decisions was very smart. Number 2, ment. We use this when we want to show the process or result of an action. Develop becomes development. The city saw a lot of development last year. Enjoy becomes enjoyment. I find enjoyment in reading books. Number 3, we have ens. This is for verbs that show a state or quality. Sometimes ens can be confused with shen, but think, if it's about state or quality, use ens. For example, perform become performance. The concert was a great performance. Exist become existence. The existence of stars is amazing. All of these are state or equality. Number 4, al. We use this when we want to turn an event or result into a noun. For example, arrive become arrival. His late arrival caused problems. Refuse become refusal. Her refusal surprised everyone. Number 5, ear or or. This is super easy, always for a person who does something. For example, teach become teacher. She is a wonderful teacher. Act become actor. He is a famous actor. Number 6, last but not least for making nouns form verbs is ing. This is called gerund. Use it when you want to turn an action into a noun. For example, swim become swimming. Swimming is my favorite sport. Read become reading. Reading is fun. Category 2. Make nouns form adjectives. Now let's look at adjectives. Number 1. Ness is very common. It shows quality or a state, just like ens in verbs. Happy become happiness. Her happiness is important to me. Kind become kindness. Kindness make the world better. Number 2. Et or t is for adjectives ending in ble or iv. For example, pure become purity. The purity of water is necessary for health. Active become activity. Running is a healthy activity. Number 3. cy is for adjectives ending in nt or ant or ent. For example, frequent become frequency. He studied the frequency of earthquakes. vacant become vacancy. There is a vacancy in the office. Number 4. Th is shorter and less used, often for physical qualities. For example, strong become strength. His strengths amazed us. Wide become width. The width of the road is big. Number 5, the last one, tude, is for mental or emotional qualities. For example, grateful become gratitude. She showed great gratitude for their help. He become solitude. He enjoys solitude sometimes. Category 3. Make nouns form other nouns. Sometimes we can make a new noun using other noun. Number 1. Collective or group nouns. These show a group or a relationship. For example, child become children. The children are playing in the park. Friend become friendship. The friendship is very strong. I will explain all about collective noun in the further sessions. Compound noun. Combine two nouns to make a new noun. For example, tooth plus brush become toothbrush. I need a new toothbrush. Rain plus bow become rainbow. Look at the rainbow in the sky. Number 3. Possessive form. Use an apostrophe plus s to show ownership. For example, Ali plus book becomes Ali's book. This is Ali's book. Category number 4. Make nouns form adverbs. This is less common, but sometimes adverbs can become nouns. For example, up becomes the ups and downs. Life has many ups and downs. Today remain today, used as a noun form time. I will finish it by today. Category number 5. Make nouns form sound or onomatopoeia. Some nouns come from the national sounds. These are fun and easy to remember. For example, buzz. I hear a buzz from the bee. Bang. There was a loud bang at the door. Tick-tock. I like the tick-tock of the clock. Category number 6. Make nouns form phrases. Sometimes several words combine to make one noun. For example, mother-in-law. My mother-in-law is very kind. Forget me not. I planted some forget-me-nots in the garden. Category number 7. Make nouns form shortening or changing the word. We can shorten or change a word to make a new noun. For example, examination become exam. I have a math exam tomorrow. Advertisement become ad. I saw an interesting ad on TV. Laboratory become lab. We will do experiments in the lab. In summary, you can make nouns form verbs, adjectives, other nouns, adverbs or time words, sounds, onomatopoeia, phrases or abbreviations, and shortening or changing other words. Great job! You have finished another lesson about noun in English. Keep going and you eventually learn everything about them. I care about you a lot and you should be proud of your progress. Lastly, please support me by liking the video on YouTube and subscribe the English channel. Turn on the bells for notification, and if you have any question, please ask me in the comments. If you really enjoy this, you can buy me a coffee. Good luck.